Hello everyone, this is Shiv Prem, legal intern at LEXIS and Company and currently pursuing BLLB honors from Central University of South Bihar. In this video, it is the second part of the analysis of contract of agency, and in the first part I had gone through the introduction section, creation of agency, types of agents, authority of an agent, sub-agents and the termination of agency. And in this video, I will be dealing with the an agent's principle, agent's duties or to principal, principal duties to agent, rights of an agent, and that's all. So let's start this video with an agent's duties to principal. An agent has basically 6 duties towards his principal. He has to conduct the business of the principal according to the direction of the principal. An agent is bound to conduct the business he is supposed to conduct with as much skill as the person on his position ordinarily holds. An agent is supposed to show the relevant accounts to the principal as and when the principal demands. An agent has the duty to communicate any difficulty whatsoever he may come across while doing the principal's business. He is supposed to perform due diligence in this regard. If any material fact has been concluded or the business is not carried out in the manner that the principal directed, the principal can repudiate the contract between them. If the agent carries out the business in the manner he wanted to perform it, rather than on the directions of the principal may claim from the agent and any benefit he may have achieved through doing so. Now let's see what's the principal duties to agent. The principals have basically 4 duties towards the agent. Okay, the principal is bound to indemnify the agent against any lawful act done by him in the exercise of his authority as an agent. The principal is bound to indemnify the agent against any act done by him in good faith, even if he ended up violating the rights of the third parties. The principal is not liable to the agent if the act that is delegated in criminal is nature. The agent will also, in no circumstance, can be indemnified against criminal acts. The principal must take compensation to his agent if he causes any injury to him because of his own competence or lack of skill. According to section 238, the principal is liable for any fraud or misrepresentation made by his agent during the course of his business, as if the fraud or misrepresentation was done by the principal himself. So now let's see some rights of the agents, like the right of retainer, the right of remuneration, the right of liens on property, principal's properties, right to be indemnified, right to be compensation, and others. So the right of retainer. An agent has the right to retain any remuneration or expenses incurred by him while conducting the principal's business. So, and in the right of remuneration, an agent, when he has wholly carried out the business of the agency, has the right to be remunerated of any expenses suffered by him while conducting the business. So now the right of lien on principal's property. The agent has the right to hold, that is, keep with himself and any movable or immovable property of the principal until his due remuneration is paid to him by the principal. Now, the right to be indemnified. The agent has the right to be indemnified against all the lawful acts done by him during the course of conducting the principal's business. And the right of compensation. The agent has the right to be compensated for any injury or loss suffered by him due to the lack of skill and competency of the principal. So, contracts establishing a relationship of the agency are very common in business law. These can be expressed or implied. An agency is created when a person delegates his authority to the other person, that is, appoints them to do some specific job or a number of them in a specified area of work. Establishment of principal agent relationship confers rights and duties upon both the parties. There are various examples of such a relationship like insurance agency, advertising agency, travel agency, and others. So let's end this video and thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. So please do like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.